Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to find x and y value in this drawing. Okay, you see here 4 triangle is there. In that you see only one value is given for 2 triangles. In this x and y value we need to calculate. How we will find the x and y value in this drawing? You see, first we have to take this triangle or this triangle. Any triangle we have to take. But in this you see, only in this 2 triangle one value is given. But in this 2 triangle you see no value is given. So we can't take in this triangle. So you have to consider in this 2 anyone you have to take. You have to consider one thing. In this drawing, this value is given, no? If another value is given means what you will do? You have to consider this triangle. Don't consider this one. First one you have to consider this. Okay? But in this case, only one value is given for this 2 triangle. So I will take any one, this or this. First I will take this one. First draw this. It's given 26. You see here, this one, this is right angle. Right angle is how much comes 90 degree. So directly you can take it as this is 90 degree. Now here is 26, 90. So this value we need to calculate. So this value how you will calculate? Sum of all sides of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all sides of triangle equal to 180 degree. Sum of all sides means 3 sides is the sum of all sides. This 1, 2, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. So you can take this is as a x. No, you can take it as p value in this case. So p plus 90 plus 26 equal to 180 degree. So p plus 116 is equal to 180 degree. P is equal to 180 minus 116 equal to 64 degree. P value. So this is 64. So you will see this value is 64. So we have to write this is 64 degree. You see this value we got. This 64 means this opposite side, this value is 64 only. So you can write this value, x value is 64. We got the answer. After that, you see here, this value we need to calculate. This is 42. This value is 90 degree. So right angle is 90, no? So we have to write this is 90 degree. So I'll draw this triangle. This is 90. This is 42. The same way, the sum of all sides of triangle is 180. So you can take it as this value is q. So q plus 90 plus 42 is equal to 180 degree. So q plus 90 plus 42 is 132 is equal to 180 degree. Q is equal to 180 minus 132 is equal to 48. Q is equal to 48. So this value is 40. So only this value is 48. So you can write this value is 48. So this value is 48 means, so this value also 48. This is 42. Both same. This value and this value same. This value and this value same. And this value and this value same. So 48. So 48 plus 48. So they asked this whole thing. So 48 plus 48. So you add 48 plus 48. Y is equal to 96 degree. So x value is equal to 64 degree, y value is equal to 96 degree. Thanks for watching this video.